Need a complete commercial PV and storage solution? Upgrade your offering with intelligent storage. Introducing SolarEdge Commercial Storage System CSS-OD. Rated at 102.4 kilowatt-hours. Scalable to meet diverse energy needs. Backed by advanced software tools, from design to maintenance and energy optimization for maximized self-consumption or peak shaving. Seamless setup. Arrives pre-assembled from the factory for installations outdoors or indoors. Intelligent battery optimization platform. SolarEdge ONE for C&I monitors the battery performance and health and intelligently determines the best time to charge or discharge. Safe and cyber-secure, equipped with enhanced technology for high resiliency. SolarEdge CSS-OD, intelligent storage far beyond the battery.